Welcome to our channel, Nourish Nation. Today, we're diving into an essential topic, the importance of a balanced diet, what it means, and how you can achieve it. A balanced diet provides your body with the nutrients it needs to function correctly. It includes a variety of foods in the right proportions, ensuring adequate intake of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. But why is it so crucial? Firstly, a balanced diet supports your body's overall health and well-being. It helps boost your immune system, reducing the risk of diseases. Proper nutrition can also enhance your mood and energy levels, allowing you to lead a more active lifestyle. Furthermore, it plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy weight, preventing obesity and related complications such as diabetes and heart diseases. Achieving a balanced diet involves understanding your body's nutritional needs. Aim to include fruits and vegetables, which are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Whole grains should be your go-to for carbohydrates, as they provide more nutrients than refined grains. Don't forget lean proteins such as fish, poultry, beans, and nuts, which are vital for muscle repair and building. Healthy fats found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts are essential for brain health. Portion control is another critical aspect. Be mindful of serving sizes and avoid overeating, even if the food is healthy. Hydration is also key. Water aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. Limit your intake of sugary drinks and alcohol. Planning your meals can make maintaining a balanced diet easier. Preparation and organization ensure you have healthy options on hand, reducing the temptation to reach for convenient but unhealthy snacks. Seek guidance from nutritionists or reliable sources to tailor your diet to your specific needs, especially if you have dietary restrictions or health conditions. Remember, achieving a balanced diet is not about strict limitations or depriving yourself of the foods you love. It's about feeling great, having more energy, and maintaining your health. Start making small changes today and see the benefits unfold. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.